Welcome to our comparison of two powerful DDR5 RAM kits, the G.SKILL Flare X5 and the Crucial Pro. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance differences, and overall value for gamers and PC builders. Let's dive in. The G.SKILL Flare X5 operates at a speed of 6,000 MHz with tighter timings of CL30, which can lead to better performance in gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the Crucial Pro also runs at 6,000 MHz, but with slightly looser timings of CL36. While both are fast, the G.SKILL may provide a slight edge in performance due to its tighter timings. When it comes to pricing, the G.SKILL Flare X5 is priced at $899, making it a premium option for those seeking top performance. On the other hand, the Crucial Pro is significantly more affordable at just $118. Offering great value for those on a budget. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many users. The G.SKILL Flare X5 is specifically designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, ensuring optimal performance for users with compatible systems. In contrast, the Crucial Pro offers broader compatibility, supporting both Intel and AMD platforms, making it a versatile choice for a wider range of builds. In conclusion, the choice between the G.SKILL Flare X5 and Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM depends on your specific needs and budget. If you prioritize performance and have an AMD system, the G.SKILL is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for value and compatibility, the Crucial Pro is hard to beat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.